Randytbird out here in the desert out in Arizona. I don't know if you've been watching the news, but it's been like 119 degrees out here the last couple days, and it has been rough. I gotta tell you, even for us desert guys, the desert rats out here, it has been tough. Last weekend I didn't even go out. It was just too damned hot. I mean, the low temperature the other day was 97 degrees, and that's at 4 o'clock in the morning. So it's been brutal. It's going to be 115 or 16 today. Another crappy day out here for us, but I gotta get out at least for a short ride. And since I didn't do a video last week, I do try to stay on schedule. So I just thought I'd make a short run today before it gets hot. It's 9 o'clock in the morning. It's 101 or 102 degrees, and it ain't gonna get nothing but worse the rest of the day. So it's been an interesting week for me. The new job that I took earlier in the year was eliminated, so I've got to find another job. I've got some things in the works, but hopefully it'll be something that'll be life-changing in a better way for me. Unfortunately, the company I went to work for was sold, and they're not wanting any of the existing staff, so that's unfortunate, since I gave up a real solid, steady job for that. So there is that, but that's all right. Everything happens for a reason, I suppose. I'm trying to stay positive here, and I'll be all right. But now I've got some things in the works, and it could be a very interesting change for me and for the channel as well. So today I think I'm probably just going to head down maybe to the bike shop and see what's going on there. I've been there a zillion times before, and but I'm told that the new CVOs with the new 121 motor in, that they've got 1 or 2 of them down there now, and I want to go check that out, see what that's like. And so maybe I'll get a little short walk around, unless it's already been sold and delivered to the lucky new owner. And I say $42,000 is a lot of money, but you know, people buy them. CVOs have always been popular with the people of appropriate means to do so. I'm not in that group, but I do appreciate it. The cool thing about CVOs is, if you want to know what accessories look like on your bike, the CVO's got them all on there, so you can tell. And I mean, I like customizing my own bike, and they're pretty much a factory custom that's already done. You can change pipes and whatever. I mean, they got gorgeous paint, and but other than that, you know, the turnkey custom. The air's warm, moving, but it's not terrible at the moment. I mean, 100 degrees is 100 degrees. If you've never been in that or ridden in that kind of weather, it is definitely different. You got to drink a lot of water, Gatorade, whatever, if you're going to go any distance. I am not going any distance today. Even in the northern part of the state, it's been super hot. So anyway, it's just going to be a short hop today. I was working with some settings on the camera the last video, and I had a couple issues with audio and with the camera. I don't know, I had a SD card go bad or whatever, and it was locking up, so I had to change all that around and do a update on the camera to get all that taken care of. So that should be good this weekend. Right now I'm using the old trustworthy Hero 7, the workhorse. This thing has carried me since day one, and it works great. You know, running a GoPro does take some getting used to, and you learn a lot of things on the fly. So I enjoy doing it. Yeah, we had a dust storm blow through last night later in the evening, and I was hoping we'd get some rain, but it's just really too hot to rain right now. So, but they're saying maybe a chance tomorrow, so we're hoping so, because if we get rain, it might cool off the temperature 10 or 15 degrees, so at least for a while, and then when it's done, the temperature just climbs back up, and then you got humidity on top of it. But I'd be happy to feel a dust storm go through, or a little monsoon, summer monsoon. They've been delayed this year. We have not had a temperature under 110 since the last week of June, and we've had mostly for the last 2 weeks temperatures in the 1-teens, and I got to tell you, 119 is something to be experienced, but not often. So just running around on the dyno today. I was just had to make sure everything was still going here after 2 weeks. Actually it's been like a week. I didn't ride it all last weekend because of the very bad weather. So, but she's doing good, sounding good, running good. I'm headed over to Desert Wind Harley Davidson right now to check that stuff out. If this light ever changes. That's the bad part about this. If you're moving, it's not too bad, but if you're not moving, ouch. It's hot fast. Well, this is Randytbird. I'm going to cut this little short right now when I pull in here, and maybe we'll get a look at the new CVO and see how she looks, and if they've got it on display. I happened to notice that it was in. So anyway, talk to you in a little bit. Well, there it is. It's the new CVO 121, the Road Glide. That's wild. Yeah, beautiful motorcycle. Absolutely beautiful. Sorry, Jerry. They're checking out the radio. Well, whoever gets this is going to have to read the manual a lot. Figure out those controls, huh?
Yeah, like I said, I'm still learning.
Oh, yeah. Beautiful. I love the dash. Awesome. The saddlebags are nice. Hey, it's Randy. I'm back. Hope you enjoyed the pictures of the new CVO. Pretty nice bike. The jury is out on whether people will accept it. The controls are way different than anybody's used to on Harley Davidson, but the fit and finish, as with all CVOs and Harley Davidson in general, is awesome. The paint is awesome. Really a nice bike. The stereo system sounds awesome on it, and I love the dash, the TFT dash, the digital. Really nice stuff. Once again, the traditionalists will probably have issues with the handlebar controls or whatever. It's just a matter of getting used to. I mean, let's face it, the Harley's been using the same controls for forever, for lifetimes. I'm used to them. Everybody's used to them, but for a bike that costs $42,000, some high tech is expected, and it really doesn't disappoint. So be interesting to see how that filters down to the non-CVO models, all the new tech with the 121 and just all the other electronics on it. I don't think that it'll have as much as the CVO, but when you get into the Road King or excuse me, road glide specials and the regular road glides and the street glides. Again, that tech will probably not be able to get all of the features the CVO has, but it'll be interesting to see next year. So the model 2024 release year is going to be interesting for sure, and I hope to be able to bring more of this stuff to you as it develops. Anyway, this is Randytbird here on a really hot Arizona morning. It's on its way to 115 today. It's just not fit for man nor beast. So headed home to get out of this heat, and we'll see you later. I'll probably be out tomorrow morning really early to get some ride video. This is Randytbird out here at Arizona. Don't forget to subscribe. I thank you for subscribing if you have. If you haven't, please do. Thank you for watching. Share my videos, comments. Love hearing from you, and I hope you're enjoying your summer and getting some riding time in there. We'll talk to you later.